Summary: Alter faces the right-wing struggle on the key migration policy. He leaves the Minister of Immigration. Says bill is strong enough, PM needs to receive new legislation through Parliament. The Alter tells Rwanda Bill you can't go any longer. London. December 7. British Prime Minister Rishi Altak applied the Conservative MPs on Thursday to unite the asylum seekers Rwanda after a rebellion that once again revealed deeper sections in his party. While Alter tries stop rebellion from demands of party's right-wing deputies to rebel on demands of UK should be separated from international treaties, determine their own migration policy. Biggest challenge for year time period. The Minister of Immigration left on Wednesday and faced questions about whether he could get his key policy by voting in Parliament. Some Conservative MPs said in a statement on Thursday that Alter may face leadership struggle with party and surveys before an expected election next year. At a press conference on Downing Street, Alter said that legislation meets almost all criticisms from his colleagues. But if government went further in ignoring human rights law, Rwanda would leave agreement. This is the only approach because as a inch go further. But go further mean that Rwanda will collapse the scheme. And then it will not have anywhere send anyone, said. Although Alter said that bill should be legal on policy, experts said that 2 years after first announcement of policy, it was likely to encounter more court challenges. Doubting purpose of moving flights in spring. Under pressure, the Rwanda plan is at the center of the government's illegal immigration strategy. The Alter will now try to receive legislation through the Parliament. But he said that he will not vote in government in order to support party support. Losing the vote of security may trigger a national election. Some of Parliament's Conservative members Alter for the first time since a year ago. The possibility of a leadership struggle. He said. A Conservative politician who reluctantly supports Rwanda plan said last year that his colleagues could be cruel in the abolition of a struggling Prime Minister. Richard Holden, president of Conservative Party, said that a leadership campaign would be madness at moment, and biggest challenge before election remained united. The Alter voted for establishing a compensatory organ for victims of the infected blood scandal. While first Parliament was subjected to defeat. So far, only a Conservative deputy, Andrea Jenkyns, called for an insecure voting. But his 6 colleagues have done it specially. He said. Jenkyns said on Wednesday that resignation of immigrant minister could be death run for leadership of Alter. In order to trigger a leadership challenge, 53 of 350 Conservative deputies in Parliament should write insecure letters to President of 1922 committee. The Alter insisted that the legislation would make it rare to prevent any asylum seeker from being removed.